Hi, I'm Matt Paulson, and for my leadership presentation, I chose Von Miller. Von Miller is, just for some general background information, Von Miller is a NFL defensive lineman currently signed to the Buffalo Bills. Von Miller is currently in his 11th year in the NFL, playing for his third team. He played college football at Texas A&M and was selected with the second overall pick in the 2011 draft to the Denver Broncos. So, some stats and career achievements for Von Miller. Within his time in college and in the NFL, he was quite an unstoppable player. In his college time at Texas A&M, Von Miller recorded 33 sacks and 50 and a half tackles for loss. In the NFL, Von Miller has recorded 125 and a half total sacks, I believe, or 123 and a half, and with 110 of them being with the Denver Broncos within his time there. Von Miller's current and past impact. So Von Miller is a 8-time NFL Pro Bowler, 3-time All-Pro, first team select, 4-time second team Pro, and select Defensive Rookie of the Year in 2011, and was a runner-up twice for the NFL Defensive Player of the Year award in 2012 and 2018 or 16, sorry. So this is a characteristics diagram by the Creative Leadership Center. 10 characteristics are integrity, delegation, communication, self-awareness, gratitude, learning agility, influence, empathy, courage, and respect. However, I chose the 5 characteristics for Von Miller as being integrity, communication, influence, courage, and respect. So what makes Von Miller a great leader? Starting with integrity is how he handled being traded from the Broncos to the Rams. Normally, GMs and teams either tell a player there's a possibility of them being traded before the trade happens, or just don't tell a player at all until it happens. They gave Von Miller the options of the Rams and some other team, which I don't recall as of right now. But with that trade, it got him out of a failing season team for the Denver Broncos for the last, 5-6 years now since their Super Bowl win and the loss of Peyton Manning. With communication's key for many leaders overall. So like if Von sees a player struggling, whether it's offensive, defensive, or special teams player, he'll come over them, talk to them, try to cheer them up, as if they're not in a positive nature for the whole game, it could put them down, or not put them down, decrease their willingness for certain plays. So continuing with influence. Von was influenced by a former teammate of his on the Denver Broncos, such as DeMarcus Ware. So we see Von influencing other players the same as DeMarcus did for him, such as with the Bills defense and with Aaron Donald on the Rams. So just talking about Aaron Donald with his half season there, including the playoff run to win the Super Bowl. Von allowed Donald influenced Donald to show his full potential as opposing offensives didn't double team Donald, which made him more unstoppable on the ball. Not conclusion, I'm sorry. With courage, continuing with the what makes a great leader, courage. Von Miller, prior to the draft, had a lawsuit against the NFL to where when Von Miller was drafted, he went up and hugged the commissioner, Roger Goodell. So it was courageous for me because instead of he still showed respect to the commissioner, but he could have done or disrespected the league himself and others, whatnot. Sorry, I'm sick. And then lastly, respect. No, sorry, not to respect. With respect, Vaughn always shows respect, whether it's to opposing players and his teammates, and teammates show the same for him, as voting him for captain statuses, and opposing teams double covering him just because of how good he is as a player, to show respect to him. To conclude, Von Miller is a two-time NFL champion and Super Bowl MVP with the Broncos and Rams. As of right now, Miller is out of the season with a ACL injury for the Super Bowl hopeful Bills. And however, his leadership continues on without him being on the field, as he still assists to the defensive players to improve and show their full potential, and when they grow morale with him not on the field. And these are my references that I talked about in here. Thank you.